Now, good afternoon to everybody. It's a very great afternoon today. We're going to have an electrocardiology discussion. ECG Frontiers is the title of the program. When I was discussing with Dr. Nagaraj Desai to give us a program for the benefit of postgraduates and basic physicians, he was very readily agreeing, and that's how the program was conceived about a month back, and then we worked on. We thought we'll keep it a short program with a useful two topics. Prelude with Dr. Desai's presentation on normal ECG variation. That's how the concept. So the whole program will be like we are going to have Dr. Desai presenting a 15 minutes presentation on a crisp on quick look into normal ECG variants, which is very, very important for anybody to look at abnormal. They should know what is normal variation. And that to us on the ECG diagnosis of tachyarrhythmias, how far we can go. 30 minutes is too small a time for such a wonderful topic. Just through very common important tips for this topic presentation. I welcome him for this program. I also welcome Dr. Prabhakar Koregal. He will be talking to us on ECG in IHD, the commandments and the caveats. That is his presentation. He is very much interested in the area of intervention cardiology in ischemic heart disease. He will be talking to us, and I welcome him. And our course director for this program is Dr. Desai. He has really designed this program. I welcome him, and I have with me Dr. Subhash Chandra, who is right now on a COVID ward rounds. He said he will be joining a little later. But in his absence, I welcome him, and he's the head of the Department of Medicine in our institution. He's doing a lot of good work, created a very good SOP for allaying the anxiety of workers in the institution, taking care of COVID activity. Professor Desai is a very good old friend of mine, and he's senior cardiologist, and he's in fact an adjunct faculty at JSS Academy of Higher Education Research, Mysuru. And he's also director of Namana Medical Center, Bangalore, visiting consultant to Fortis Hospital, chairman of Karnataka Cardiology Academy, consultant in iMedrix for Bangalore, USA and USA. He's an adult cardiac practitioner since 4 decades, and a former professor and head of Department of Cardiology at Ramaya Medical College, as well as later on, he was heading the department at JSS Medical College and Hospital. He worked with us from 2009 to 2017, 18 long years. He was our faculty here. He has published several articles, 179 abstracts, 49 papers, and 8 chapters in the conference proceedings in several state and national meetings. He has participated in several international and national clinical trials, including SABRE-2, Aristotle, Fusion trials, and SCORE India study, many more. So he is the course director today, and I welcome him on all your behalf. Friends, the next topic will be by Dr. Ullas Pandurangi. He'll be making his presentation for 30 minutes on how far we can go in analyzing tachyarrhythmias. He's basically a chief cardiac electrophysiology person and pacing individual in the Institute of Cardiovascular Disease, Arrhythmia, Heart Failure of Madras Medical Mission, Chennai. Founder President of Tamil Nadu Electrophysiology Council, past President of Indian Society of Electrophysiology, Electrocardiology, and recipient of prestigious Dr. T.P. Basu Award for original research work on atrial fibrillation in RHD. And he also received Young Cardiologist Award way back in 1997 in a CSA conference. And he was also awarded the Best Doctor Award by Tamil Nadu MGR Medical University about 7 years back, that is in 2030. I welcome him, and we will be looking forward for a great presentation on tachyarrhythmias. Dr. Prabhakar Koregal will be later on introduced by our Dr. Subhash Chandra when he joins. I welcome Dr. Prabhakar. He will be talking to us on the ischemic heart disease and ECG. Now I stop sharing these slides. I'll be now requesting Dr. Nagaraj Desai to take us forward by his initial presentation on normal ECG variants. The next minutes. Over to Desai.